안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Are you planning to take a TOPIK test or simply want to learn essential vocabulary in Korean? In this video, we'll learn 50 words that you need to prepare to take a TOPIK test. Of course, as you can imagine, there are much more than 50 words that you need to study. But in this video, I'm presenting 50 words each for each of my videos so that you can study little at a time. This is number 4 video right here. If you are interested in more videos like this, please look for my number 1, 2, 3 videos listed down below. Let's begin. Number 1, 안. That means in. So you can say 집 안. That means inside of the house. 집안. 안경. Eyeglasses. 안경. 안내. Information. A guide. 안내. 앞. In front of. Just like this, you can say 집 앞. That means in front of the house. 집 앞. 야구. Baseball. 야구장 makes baseball field. 약. Medicine. 약국 makes pharmacy. 약국. Number 8, 약속, appointment. So this is a little tricky word to translate because if you say appointment, it could be appointment with doctors and all that. But in Korean, 약속 is not like official appointment. It is kind of a casual arrangement between you and another person, such as you are going to go dinner at exact time with who. That is 약속. So this English translation is not super accurate in that context. 어머니, mother. 어머니. 어제, yesterday. 어제. 얼굴, face. 얼굴. 옛날. Some translations say old, but usually it means old in time. So in the past. 여자. Woman. The opposite word would be 남자, man. 여자, 남자. Number 14. 여행, a trip, travel. You might have noticed I'm pronouncing 여행, not necessarily pronounce h right here because in the middle it almost does not pronounce, so you would pronounce it as 여행. 역사, history. 한국 역사 would be Korean history. 연락, a contact. 연락, when you pronounce those l affects right here, so you'd pronounce 열, like instead of a final consonant n, you'd pronounce l instead. 연락. Number 17, 연필. 연필. 영수증. 영수증, a receipt. Number 19, 영어, English. 영어. 영화. Same thing. You can hear that I'm not really pronouncing this, and instead I'll pronounce 영화, a movie. 한국 영화 would be Korean movie. 옆 means beside, next to. So you can say 학교 옆, next to the school. 오래간만. So we do not use this word independently by itself. You will probably hear 오래간만 and then 이에요. All together, that means I haven't seen you for a while. So it's hello to somebody that you haven't seen for a while. 오래간만이에요. That is exactly same thing, but you can omit 간 right here and say 오랜만이에요. Exactly same. 오랜만이에요. Long time no see. How are you? 오래간만이에요. 오랜만이에요. Number 24. 오른쪽. So here, 쪽 means directional word. 오른쪽, right side. 오른쪽. 오. 오. You will hear I am pronouncing as 오. Afternoon. 올해. This year. So because this does not really pronounce this final consonant l, kind of spills over for the pronunciation. So what you will hear will be 올해, means this year. 옷, clothing, 옷. Number 28, 외국인, a foreigner. So here that spills over, so I'm pronouncing 외국인, a foreigner. Number 29, 요리사, a chef. 요리사. 요즘, these days. 요즘, these days. You might have heard people say, 요즘 어떠세요? How are you doing these days? 요즘 어떠세요? 우산, an umbrella. 우산. 우유, milk. 딸기 우유 would be strawberry milk. Strawberry flavored milk. 우유. Number 33, 운동, exercise. 운동. 웬일. You will hear probably 웬일이세요 all together because people do not say 웬일 by itself. 웬일이세요 means what's going on. So this is rather than saying, really asking what's going on, it is how are you when you meet somebody little unexpectedly. So what's going on? How are you? 웬일이세요? Or if you show up someplace that the other person would not expect to see him. Oh, what's going on? 웬일이세요? Hi. Number 35, 위. On, upper. So you can say 책상 위 would be on the desk. So it could be above or on. 책상 위. Number 36, 유학. 유학. That means study abroad. 유학. 은행. And then I do not pronounce this, and this spills right here. 은행, a bank. A bank. Number 38, 음료수. 음료수. So affects l, so it really pronounced n instead. So I'm going to pronounce as 음료수. Drink, beverages. 음식, food. So food and beverages will be 음식, 음료수. Number 40, 음악회. 음악회. A concert. 음악회. So when g and h collide, that makes aspirated sound of this, which will be k. So I'm saying 음악회, a concert. 의미, meaning. 의미, 의자, a chair. 의자. 이름, name. 이름, 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? Number 44. 2번, this. 이번 달 means this month. 이번 달. Or you might have heard 이번 주, this week. 2번. 이상, strange, not normal. 이상해요. It is strange. 인터넷, internet. 인터넷. 일, work. So this is noun, but people often say 일해요 together to work as a verb. 일해요. 일본, Japan. 일본, 일본 사람, Japanese, in person. Number 49, 일본어, Japanese. We are talking about language here. Here, 일본 사람, right here is in person. 일본어, right here, we are talking about language. 일본어. Some people say 일어 without 본 right here. Last word, 일요일, 이, and then did you notice that this final consonant l spills over and pronounced right here? So I'm going to pronounce it as 일요일, 일요일, Sunday, 일요일. How did you do? I hope this video was helpful. If you are interested in more videos like this, please find the link down below. 고맙습니다. Thank you so much for watching. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.